Ever feel like some of the meetings you go to are a complete waste of time?
They don't have to be. Let's talk about a simple question that can transform your meetings and make them truly productive. Have you ever walked into a meeting and thought, why am I even here? Do you find yourself thinking, what was the purpose of this meeting? Or do you leave feeling like nothing important was covered?
We're all so busy, we bounce from one meeting to the next with very little time to prepare or to stop and think. Our brains crave clarity and certainty, and when we aren't clear when we're in a meeting about what this meeting's all about or what success looks like, we fill in the gaps, we make assumptions, agendas accidentally get railroaded, or discussions are really hard to engage with.
So, when people are unclear about expectations, they start working off assumptions, which can lead to misunderstanding, people talking at cross purposes, or even worse, not talking at all.
Asking the simple question I'm going to share with you at the start of a meeting will have a dramatic improvement on yours and others' meetings.
So, what is this game changing question?
It's to ask what will make this meeting a 10 out of 10 for you.
So, it's that simple?
Yes, asking what will make this meeting a 10 out of 10 for you does three very important things. So, one, it invites people to be really clear about what they want to get out of the meeting. Two, it helps people to share what they need to feel psychologically safe to fully participate and engage in the discussion. And three, it shifts the responsibility of a successful meeting from the meeting host to everyone in the room, because everyone now is able to contribute and say what they each need to make that meeting a 10 out of 10.
So, by asking this question, I'm ensuring that we focus our conversation on what really matters.
Exactly. It helps everyone align on expectations, encourages participation, and makes it clear what needs to happen to make the meeting worthwhile.
Plus, it helps prevent people feeling like their time has been wasted or their priorities have been overlooked. By using this question, I'm giving everyone a voice in the meeting's success.
And the extra bonus of asking this question is it helps you spot people's needs early on. So if somebody says a 10 out of 10 for me is something that you hadn't thought of including in the meeting, you've got that opportunity. If it's something that's not relevant to the meeting, you've got the ability to tell them at the start so their expectations are managed. So it's a really great way to help you shape the meeting to make sure that it meets everybody's needs and everyone finds it useful.
So remember, at the start of every meeting, ask, what will make this meeting a 10 out of 10 for you?
Capture everybody's responses, check progress so you can make sure that you are covering off what everybody wants. And if you run out of time or you think that you're not going to get everything covered, then you can prioritize what people want to get out of the meeting and maybe schedule some follow-up.
And if someone asks for something that's off topic, don't worry, just kindly steer them back to the purpose of the meeting and agree to pick that particular thing up later on.
I first came across this question when I trained in conversational intelligence, and what I've learned from using it over 10 years is that it creates clarity, it boosts engagement, and it ensures that you have productive meetings that respect everybody's time every time you meet. So it's really worthwhile doing. So try this in your next meeting.
You'll be surprised how much more productive and focused your meetings become.
And remember, you don't have to second guess what people want. You can just ask them.
So, remember to ask the question, how can the meeting be a 10 out of 10 for you, and make every meeting count?